What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. right after ATB. I don't need to know where my ATB gang is. I popped into ATB. I popped my head in the studio for a minute. I listened in a little bit. Guys, welcome back to the stream. We have another amazing show for you today. Happy Monday. What a great way to start off the week, guys, with just a little bit of a mega super dumpy dump. Bitcoin is took a little slippy slip there. Came down for another leg down, guys. As you know, yellow X's have been printing all over the charts, right? We had the blood diamonds on the 12 and the 16 hour for ETH. Absolutely playing out in a beautiful way, and I don't mean to shed light on this dump, but when you see these things coming and they play out just like you wanted them to, it does feel really good. But nonetheless, sorry guys, I just looked at the price real quick. I thought we had some interesting. Okay, yeah. Anyway, we're gonna get into it pretty quickly here, guys. Thank you for coming back to the stream. Make sure you smash that like button if you guys want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance to win some NFTs, or who knows what the heck we'll give away this week. We gave away about like 20, I don't know what it is. I don't want to say the wrong number. I feel like it was actually 5, 10, 15, yeah, it was 20 NFTs and 2 Frankie Candles special edition hats last week. So definitely smash up that like button. For every 100 likes, you guys get a spin on the wheel, 2 chances to win on that wheel every single spin. So let's see if we can rack up maybe 25 NFTs and 3 hats or something this week. But guys, Bitcoin's going absolutely nuts. We're going to jump into the charts. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. What is going on? How much lower can we go? Are we going to go to the dark depths of, 10 to 7K like some people think is going to happen? Or are we going to slow down at, close to where we are now, 22, all right, guys, we're going to jump right into the charts, actually, so scratch that. We're going to come back and say what's up to chat, but we are currently getting some price action here on good old Bitcoin. Let me just, okay. All right, we're not freaking out yet. All right, no, we're still good. But yeah, guys, we're taking a look at Bitcoin. We're taking a look at the altcoins. I'm gonna let you guys know, where I think price is going and what levels I am watching, where I am looking, if I am gonna take some longs. I'll let you guys know kind of where I would be starting to think about that. But right now, things are really sketchy. We got yellow X's on the higher time frames. We got blood diamonds on the higher time frames. We got blood diamonds and yellow X's all over the place. It's a blood diamond yellow X party. 281 people in here. Smash that like button, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into the charts because it's getting spicy. Bada boom. Here we go. Starting off on Bitcoin, guys. Like I said, we have a ton to talk about. Let's start off on the longer time frames. Actually, let me just delete this line because this has been bugging me all day. I've been looking at that. So we lost our green dot, guys. If you watched the BitBoy Crypto morning stream, you will know I brought this up. We lost our green dot. It is not printing anymore. The VWAP has been rejected at that 0 line, indicating that, we might have a little more downside, to come here. Obviously, that has played out. And, I mean, look at that weekly blood diamond. Ooh, baby, what a dump. But yeah, guys, losing that weekly green dot is not the best look, obviously, as we have come down a lot further. But what I do want to talk about is the 6-day and the 5-day green dots. If you guys remember, I think it was, I know it was last week. I don't know if it was on Friday or on, I don't know if it was on Friday or Wednesday. But I was talking about how these green dots did not look the strongest because they were coming up over that 0 line. And if you guys remember, I was comparing it to this VWAP where it came through and went straight up, right? And then this one was kind of just wonked over. So I was saying it didn't look like the strongest green dot, and to watch out for that print of the red dot, which is currently happening. Yeah, we have that, the 4-hour printing that red dot. And then also, not to mention 5-day yellow X, 4-day yellow X, 3-day yellow X. 2-day actually doesn't have it. But, and then there's a 6-day yellow X, right? God, if one of these things pops up on the weekly, it's gonna be a bad time, guys. It's gonna be a good time for us because we're gonna make money either way. But it's gonna be a bad day for Bitcoin. These are not good. If we look at the 6-day, we've actually never had, we've never had a yellow X, on this chart ever. And if you come to the 5-day, I pointed this out on the morning stream before we lost power. If you guys were watching, we lost power. But we got our yellow X here. The last time this printed on the 5-day was right before, in 2018, right before our big 50% capitulation down. So I think this could bring us down a lot more, this yellow X, for sure. Now, you know, on these lower time frames, on the lower daily time frames like the 3-day, you'll see we actually did get a couple here. This one right here played out to about 25%. This one didn't really play out at all, but 25% here, 50% here. So these are some numbers, you know, if we're seeing these play out the same way as they have in the past, you know, 25 to 50% is, you know, nothing to laugh about. However, we are already down 25%. So have we hit the bottom, or are we going to see some further moves to the downside? Maybe another 50% capitulation. You know, it's anybody's guess at this point. Now, I will say this. If we come to the weekly chart, right, we have come down to that 200-week moving average. We just barely touched it. We haven't actually physically touched it yet, but we are getting very, 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 very close. So that is worth noting. You know, it's a big question. Are we going to come down and touch that 200-week moving average? Here we are. We're getting pretty dang close. Now, I don't think it's impossible to wick past here, and we're going to zoom into the price action a little bit just to take a little bit of a better look. But worth noting, we are coming down to that 200-week moving average, so it could be marking, you know, maybe a local bottom, if not the bottom here. However, you know, you have the Celsius news, right? Things like this keep happening. We're going to keep seeing this happen to the markets. But I just wanted to point out that 200-week moving average. And then if we zoom in a little bit to the price action here, yeah, guys, this is brutal. Let's actually come to our Discord here, and I do just want to point out, guys. You know, I said this in my market watch video. I did try to alert you guys about this in the Discord. There it is, the screenshot. 9:08 last night. We were approaching this white box, which was a, let me zoom in a little bit. We were approaching this white box, which was basically a big gap in volume, right? We do have a spider line in there, so I was saying we could maybe hold that. But nonetheless, this was a low volume area where there was a big gap in volume, and typically you see price move pretty quickly through there. So I was saying if we lost this spider line, we could get, you know, price could start moving pretty quickly through this white box. Unfortunately, my internet is a troll at the house, so this never got out there to you guys, but it did play out almost perfectly. And then I do just want to touch on some of these things because I think there's some lessons to learn here. We put this in the Discord as well. This was a few days ago. It was looking like a bear flag. Now, this I always say, keep it simple, guys. I know a lot of people are saying, well, you know, now technically in this cycle, this happened, and it came to this price, to this exact dollar, and if you look back in this, and it could go back up, we could go into another bull run, and you know, those are the this time is different people, and those people are feeling a lot of pain today. So, you know, you want to keep things simple, and I put this in the Discord a few days ago. This was looking like a textbook bear flag, and it was bearishly retesting. And I pointed this out, you know, I said, this is why I love to keep it simple. We talked about this on the live stream recently. Bitcoin has been loving the bear flags and the bear pennants, that they are pretty reliable when you're on your way down in a bear market like this. Textbook breakdown, bearish retest, which is what we were seeing. So, you know, this is just textbook bear, you know, bear flag. You could assume this is going to break to the downside, especially when you get that bearish retest like that. And then, you know, you come to the, you come over to the charts here, and it plays out. Well, let me see, which one was that bear? I think it was this one. Yeah, I mean, guys, this is how they play out. This is in, consolidate, boom, and you continue down, and like these have been playing out so well on Bitcoin recently. They've been very reliable recently, especially in a bear market like this. You know, obviously, if you're expecting to come down more, you would assume that, you know, maybe if you're in a bear flag, you're going to continue down. It all makes sense. So, you know, keep your eye out for these very, very basic patterns. You don't have to make it rocket science. You can keep it simple. And if you've been trading these bear pennants and these bear flags, you've been absolutely crushing it. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out. You know, some of these things, you just want to keep it very, very simple. However, there you go, 2,300. But yeah, let's zoom in here a little bit so I could kind of break down, you know, what we're looking at here and kind of what's running through my head. Now, I have moved. We do have another gap in volume down here, guys. You know, obviously this one played out drastically. We came down. You know, if we zoom in, I'll kind of show you guys where that box was. That white box of very low volume. Grab my rectangle tool. So it was basically from here to this gold spider line down here, right? So we were kind of hanging out up here, and I was saying, hey, if we lose this, it's going to be a quick ride down. Let's just come to a higher time frame there. You know, hanging out up here, it's going to be a quick move down. We got that first dump down pretty quickly, right? Because there's no volume. I show you guys this a lot with the VPVR, or you can use the fixed range volume profile. If you could find these gaps in volume, you can kind of see where these strong levels of support are, and if you lose them, you're going to get that big fast move. I show you guys how to hunt these out, and these have been playing out great as well. You get that big fast move down. You bounced perfectly off that spider line before dumping back down to our exact target. So again, guys, I'm sorry that didn't come through on the Discord, and I'm sorry I couldn't go live last night. I'm working on fixing this internet at the house. Otherwise, I 100% would have been live late last night, kind of covering this for you guys. I feel like I let you guys down, but I am at the mercy of the technology. So we're going to make sure that doesn't happen again. But nonetheless, that's what we were looking at. And now, basically, what we're doing here is we're hanging out on this bottom spider line right here. Now, if we break down, I am looking at the top of this box to find some support, right? This is at about 22.5. Now, right down below that, we do have the 200-week moving average, which is currently coming in at about $22,275. If we come down to this 200-week moving average, you could try to look for some scalp longs off of this area, but you want to be really, really careful because we start having pretty big gaps in volume right below here. So if we do decide to lose this 200-week moving average, we could get a pretty quick move down to this spider line at about 21,460. So that's kind of some local levels. We have another level down here at about, $20,080, or, almost like that $20,000 even mark. You're going to get that psychological support. That is the previous all-time high, guys. We are only 12% from the previous all-time high. But you want to be careful because in these low volume areas, obviously you can, we do have the spider lines, but you can see on this last one, that spider line gave us a short-term bounce before just dumping right through it. So you want to keep an eye on that. So here's some levels to watch, guys. Maybe you could look for some scalp longs off that 200-week moving average, but I'm probably going to sit them out in a time like this. Unless something's really, really looking good, and I will update you guys in the Discord if I see something lining up good like that. But as of right now, let's take a look at these lower time frames. I mean, yeah, money flow still in the red here on the 15-minute. Yeah, blood diamonds printing all over the place. I mean, you do have money flow coming up on the 12-minute. It's hard to say. It's bearish vibes out there, guys. Printed a red dot here on the 1 hour. Oh, did that just pop up, or am I blind? Did that literally just pop up? Somebody let me know. Did that just pop up? Guys, if we confirm, I mean, we have a full hour. We have a full hour to confirm this, guys. If we confirm this yellow X, that is not going to be good. I'm not going to lie, though. I'm kind of feeling good about this because it's almost like watching, like you guys know, on the Frankie Candles YouTube channel, I show you guys how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. So when I see these yellow X's printing, all I see is dollar signs, right? Oh, baby, it's going to dump, and all we have to do is jump on the train, ride it down, and cash out, right? Obviously, there's a little more than that to it, but if we confirm this yellow X, and it brings us into this box past the 200-week moving average, and we wind up printing another one, we may not print another one. I mean, they are printing all over the place, so it's hard to tell, but if we print this, this could push us down to this spider line if we can break the 200-week moving average into this low volume area. I think we could have a pretty quick move down here. But you just want to remember the 200-week moving average is pretty strong. But this is what we're looking for, guys. This is not good. Did that just pop up? Short squeeze incoming. Yeah, Crypto Crabman. Yeah, you want to be careful about that too. You could have some short squeezes happening here. If you love day trading and volatility, Luna can't get any better. Hodgepodge, let's go. It just popped up, yeah. So if this confirms, that is going to be not so bueno for Bitcoin. But these are some of the levels I'm watching. Like I said, if we break this level, I think it's going to be a pretty quick move down to this spider line and then possibly this spider line. And then at that point, guys, we're testing the previous all-time high. And if we go below that, we're looking at some pretty deep targets here. Now, coming over to this bear flag, it's hard to say, depending on where you measure this thing from. Let's go up to a higher time frame, right? So, you know, depending on where you measure this thing to, you know, if you go from here, high to the low, and you bring this, you know, it depends on if you put it to the top or the bottom. If you bring it to the bottom of the pattern, this brings you down to that $14,000 level. Now, you know, let's just go ahead, and if we were to come down to that $14,000 level, guys, I would give you an 80% correction. So there's your 80 to 85% correction in a typical bear market. Not looking so unlikely anymore. Now, if you guys might have done this. You know, the falls from the corrections in the bear markets have gotten less and less over time. Not too drastically. But, you know, maybe we see something between 70, 65, maybe 70 and 80%. Maybe it's not 85%, but obviously we have a lot of things going on in the world right now that can affect that, guys. So you want to keep that in mind. But that measured move from here to here, and you bring it down, you know, it's bringing you to 14K. If you bring it to the top of the pattern, I mean, it brings you to 18K. But I mean, this makes sense to me. 14K, that would make sense. You get that measured move out of the bear flag. It gives you that 80% correction. Now, the 200-week moving average would kind of be all botched at that point. But you know, these are some targets that we could be looking for. I know a lot of people have been looking towards that 14K level. I think Garrett Soloway's looking at that level, which does make a lot of sense. I actually think the way he gets to his level for the way he gets to his price target is, I think, measuring... if we bring back up this bear flag right here, I think he measures from here to there, and then he drags it to there, and that brings you into the negative, so that can't be right. Yeah, so I mean, this might not be 100% accurate. I just drew this quickly, but yeah, I think maybe he was looking closer to 10K. So that also makes sense, right? 10K, 14K, it's kind of a close enough range. So, you know, this measured move brings you down to 10K. This measured move brings you down to, you know, about 14K. So it's like, yeah, that's possible. You know, especially with those measured moves. It's interesting that they all kind of bring you down to that similar area. But yeah. So we gave you, let's go back here, back to a lower time frame, zoom in. So yeah, right now, guys, for the most part, I am just waiting for, get rid of market cipher B real quick. I'm just waiting to see if we can come into this box. If we could get into this box, I do think we can have some quick wicks down. Maybe tonight is an exciting night. Maybe this is where we see a big dump come tonight, but it's too early to tell as of right now. But just remember, you do have low volume in this box right here. Let's see, which will be right, the 85% bear cycle correction or the previous all-time high holds. We'll see. Zatoshi, what is going on, man? Thank you for being here. Yeah, we're going to wind up finding out here pretty soon. Guys, it's exciting times. Let's go ahead and just check in on my trade here. Pulled out about $894 in profit, still up 104% with 652 still in profit, about 1,200% or $1,200 left in the position. Gonna hold this, gonna write it down, and see what we can milk this thing for. Let's see if we can make a quick little buck here. But yeah, these are the levels I'm watching, guys. Let's move on to Ethereum. Now, I'm going to come back to the Discord again, coming over to the ETH channel. Now, this is the first thing that we put in, here. If there's anyone out there that is willing to go through the streams last week and find me the clip of where I was showing you guys Ethereum and how there were those big gaps in volume, and I was talking about how if we broke through, it could quickly bring us down to 15K. We saw that play out to a T. We called that perfectly. So this was on the 7th. I said ETH is looking pretty bad right now with red dots printing on the 6, 8, 10, 12, and 16 hour. It's probable that we come further down. To add insult to injury, we also have blood diamonds on the 12 and 16 hour. If these blood diamonds play out like the last ones, it could bring us down to the 1500s. And then on the live stream, I was showing you guys the gaps in volume that, you know, could make for those quick moves down. So here we are looking at Ethereum. Let's bring up that VPVR. So, so you guys can kind of see, I'm not really gonna, I'm not gonna go crazy pointing this out, but you guys can kind of see gap in volume, right? Big gap in volume, fast move, bada boom. Brings us right down to 1575. And then, you know, you had some gaps in volume here as well. You got the quick moves. And we could zoom out, maybe zoom out a little bit to see it a little better. But come on. Come on, computer. Okay. There we go. But you guys can see these gaps in volume, right? This is kind of how I was able to tell it was going to be a fast move down there. This has been working out really well for us, trying to predict these big quick moves down. But on Saturday, obviously, another gap in volume between the bottom of this descending triangle and the top of this box. We were talking about if we break down out of this descending triangle, we would have a pretty quick move down. Then we settled on top of this white box. As soon as we broke it, we got that quick move down. And then, kind of danced around a little bit, quick move down, quick move up, and then a giant move down. And then this was more recent. But on Saturday, when I saw this playing out, it's always so sad to watch, ETH crash to nothing. But I was pretty happy about us being able to bring that to you guys, days ahead. Right? Plus, you have the 12-hour and the 16-hour blood diamond, right? This is a game of probability, guys. Like, no one is ever able to predict the markets perfectly, but when you have something like Market Cypher and you know TA and you've been practicing and you're able to nail it down, you kind of put these things together like a puzzle, right? Blood diamond on the 12-hour, blood diamond on the 16-hour. We have those gaps in volume right underneath us. We're in a descending triangle, right? That's a bearish pattern. Bearish pattern, gap in volume. Probably going to equate to a big dump. It would make sense to have a big dump because of these higher time frame blood diamonds. You can see how these puzzle pieces start coming together, and then eventually you're like, oh, and you have the epiphany like, oh my God, it's time to put in a short. And then you look for a good entry, you get in, and you ride it down. So glad we were able to bring that up for you guys. But from here, let's kind of talk about what we're looking at here. 6-day. Let's see if we got any of these yellow X's. Yellow X on the 5-day, yellow X on the 4-day. On the 2-day, confirmed. We called this one a little early. And then, yeah. So you got these yellow X's popping up on these higher daily time frames. When you see this on the 2-day, right? This happened, this confirmed, this confirmed a while ago, guys. When you see this on top of the blood diamonds, on top of the descending triangle, on top of all these things, this is what's making you confident to enter these trades. Now, you're not entering the trade based off of the yellow X. You could. It would have played out great. But you want to see these things and then go to the lower time frames and find a good entry, right? So let's zoom in a little bit here so we can kind of look at some levels that I am keeping my eye on. Now, again, I put this in the Discord, right, for you guys. These are kind of the levels I'm watching. This level right here at about 1100 is probably gonna be the next little bounce we get. If we break that, we do have this top of this golden pocket coming in at about $1,000. This is also gonna give you that psychological support. So this may be a little stronger. It's a golden pocket. It's psychological. But we do have this little level here, and you don't want to forget, right? Especially when they've been respected so much. Now, if you started watching my channel a month ago, and you didn't know what a bear flag was or what they meant, you could probably come to the conclusion that when you see these, it's probably gonna dump, right? This could easily bring us down to this 1100 mark, which would be beautiful for our short. But yeah, you would know what this is, right? Now we're pulling another bear flag, right, on ETH. This could easily dump us down to here at 1100 or 1110, I guess technically. Now, this is my first level. This is my second level. If we break that, we'll address it when we get there. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. But you have your bear flag, right? These typically continue to the downside. And you got all these bearish signals on the higher time frames, guys. It looks like the pain might not be over. And, when you're looking at Market Cypher B, money flow coming up on the hourly, but you have your VWAP printing you are printing a red dot as well. 2 hours starting to come up, but your VWAP's coming down. 4 hour VWAP is over the zero line, looking a little lackluster. Something you do want to realize on the 4 hour for Ethereum is you are printing a bullish divergence that will confirm in about 2 hours. This is generally a bullish thing, but I'd be very, very careful with the longs right now. Please, for the love of God, I'm not saying you can't long or can't scalp long on these bounces, but please be careful longing in this environment. Remember, the trend is your friend, guys. Your trend is your friend. So I'm going to say it right now. If you guys are looking for some targets, if that bear flag breaks down, which they have been consistently, we are probably looking at about $1,100. And if we break that, we're probably looking at $1,000 for Ethereum. So you definitely want to keep an eye on that. I mean, yeah, it's your money flow coming up on the 15-minute, I guess. But be very, very careful. These are some of the targets I'm looking at for ETH. And I just want to say it one more time, guys. Look at the blood diamonds on the 12 and the 16 hour. We were talking about this on June 7th. This is when I put that in Discord. We knew about this up here. This is how I'm catching these trades, right? I'm putting it in the Discord, letting you guys know what's going on as well. But when you see this, you're getting ready. You're getting ready for a big dump because on these longer time frames, they're typically pretty big dumps. We let you guys know on June 7th. So the Candle Mafia knew. Let me know if you guys got into any shorts, and if you guys are making money, let me know. Actually, you know what? Let's just go ahead. Let's say what's up to chat, and then we'll come right back to the charts because we did skip chat a little bit. Tony D says he's pretty sure he has it timestamped. Tony, for the love of God, I really hope you do. If you could check on that, that would be huge. Because I want to start covering that stuff and clipping it. Usually I say clip it if I think it's going to play out. But yeah, let's shout out to the mods. Let's try to start clipping that stuff if we can, and then we can bring it back up to show people. Let's see. Yeah, pretty sure I have a timestamp. I hope so. Let's just say what's up to chat really quick because I had to get to the price action because I know there's a lot of stuff going on right now, and I didn't want to keep you guys waiting. I know you guys are sitting there eagerly waiting. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? So yeah, let's say what's up to chat. Give us the sauce on ETH, bro. Yes. Here we go. We're going to go back to ETH. I'm going to cover ETH a little bit more after we say what's up. Crypto Cal says 12K. Not impossible. Not impossible. Frankie, thank you so much. Shorted TRX 220%. OP 820%. SM, SRM 180%. Let's go. Let's go. Tommy, congratulations. I hope I had something to do with that. You said thank you, so I think we did. I hope we did. But shout out to you, man. You pulled the trigger. You used the risk management. You got in the trade. You did that. So congratulations to you. Shout out to Tommy. Tommy Duong. Tommy Duong. Congrats, my man. Rob the Crypto Snob. What is going on? Crypto Crabman. What is up? JT says nope. How do I join the Discord? There you go. Tyler Durden threw that link in there real quick for you. Let's see. Frankie, why don't you just buy ETH 3S on KuCoin so you don't get liquidated? Sunny Impact, I think that's your name, SXNNY Impact. Yeah, I never used the pre-leveraged tokens, just something I never mess around with. I don't really get liquidated anyway because I use stop losses. So the only time I get liquidated is when I get in a trade and I go, I don't care if I get liquidated, I'm not putting a stop loss. I never randomly get liquidated. I use stop losses. So yeah, and then I also use a little bit of higher leverage than 3x a lot of the time. So, but yeah, there's nothing wrong with using those coins. If you are trading those coins and you are winning, then you keep doing that. There's nothing wrong with that. I just personally don't do it. Not for any horrible reason or anything like that. Let's see. Lou, L-U-E, what is going on? He says, bada bing, Frankie. What is going on, Lou? Thank you for being here. Luke, not to be confused with Lou. I know how to do technical analysis, but I don't know how to long or short on Femex or FTX. It's so aggravating. Hey, Luke, I have a video I have a Femex tutorial on my website, on my YouTube channel that shows you exactly how to long and short on Femex and KuCoin. So definitely check out the Femex tutorial. Also, if you have not signed up with my link, definitely do that because you get some free money and you help your boy out too. So win-win situation there. But yeah, check out that Femex tutorial. I show you how to do everything on there. Wolfman ate my coins. What is up, man? Says Yellow X on the 5 printed. Yellow X on the 5-minute, 5-day. 5-minute. Oh, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, are we doubling down on our shorts? Are we tripling down on our shorts? I'm kidding. But that is, I mean, these have been printing all the way down. But yeah, this is, yeah, looking like we could come down possibly a little bit more, guys. Let's see. Constantine says, what a scam. Crypto is a scam. If you guys don't know, Garrett says 12K. All right, so right in between 10 and 14. Kind of the range we were looking at. That makes a lot of sense. Lokesh, what is going on? Let's see. It's thanks to you, man. Hashtag when super chat. Tommy, when super chat soon. It's out of my hands. I'm just waiting for it to come. And when it comes, you'll know because I'm putting it on the thumbnail. I don't care if it has nothing to do with crypto. We got super chats is going on the thumbnail because it's been a big thing we've been waiting for. And we've been patiently waiting. So hopefully it comes soon. It's getting bloody. Time to accumulate and get rich. Mr. Ethereum. Can't argue with that. But shout out to you, Tommy. I'm super happy that I'm able to play a part in helping you win and gain financial freedom. Even if you have not reached financial freedom, if I can help you take a baby step towards it, that is why I'm here. Tony, if you could clip that, man, that's we love that. Super happy I was able to help you, Tommy. Frankie, how long does the market pullback last? Weeks, months, years? Listen, we are in a bear market. In my opinion, we will not be making new all-time highs until 2024, 2025. I say it all the time. That's just kind of what that's kind of, you know, the thought process I subscribe to. Like, you know, I show you guys things like the false top theory. You know, I try to give you guys bullish cases and bearish cases. But I never like to tell you guys where the market's going because I've been in this game long enough to know that nobody really knows. Yeah, we try to give you the bullish case, but I do subscribe to the traditional 4-year cycle for the most part. But I also understand that it's not impossible for the cycles to break, right? So you never really want to be fully convicted here or there. You want to be able to, you know, okay, like I do lean towards the traditional cycles. We'll be in a multi-year bear market. You know, or yeah, we'll be in a traditional bear market. But also when someone says, hey, look at this information, this is kind of pointing to the fact that we might come out of the bear market sooner than you think. I don't just go, no, that's wrong. My idea, my thought process is the right one and yours is the wrong one. I always look into the information and see if it holds weight. And if it does, I present it to you guys and I let you make the decision. But we do traditionally on this channel subscribe to the traditional cycles just because there's no reason to expect Bitcoin to do something different when it has repeated itself in multiple cycles, right? Doesn't mean it can't change, but until it does change, there's no reason to try to guess when the first time it's going to change is. Because today, a lot of people who are going, this time's different, this time's different. I say this, I feel like this is our catchphrase on this channel is, this time's different, this time's different. That's what they were saying last cycle. Last bear market, they were going, this time's different, this time's different. And these people just keep buying the bottom and then it goes down lower. And they just keep trying to get into the bottom and they're literally just buy at the top and all the way down. You want to at least wait for a big drop so you know at least you're getting cheap Bitcoin. But you know, a lot of these this time is different people get wrecked every single time. And again, you didn't see me come up here and say those guys are definitely going to get wrecked. I said, hey, they have a decent argument. Let's look at the information. But just so you guys know, if this is your first cycle, you've never been through a bear market, they were saying this is different last cycle too. That's why I always say that. You don't want to just get like stuck on that thought process, right? Those people are hurting today. You know, we had a lot of people saying the golden pocket will never break the golden pocket. There's no chance. I've gone on these rants before where, you know, people are so convicted that it's not going to go lower. And that's just not smart to do. You don't want to be super, you know, all in on one thought or one idea or one theory. You want to realize that anything can happen. But a lot of these people are just new to the market. They haven't been around. They have no experience. So they just think like, oh, it dropped 60%. Oh my God, how could it drop lower? It's like we usually drop 85%, but those people don't really know that because they haven't been around. They just got here. But anyway, let's continue here. Coinbase bankruptcy equals 6K Bitcoin. Yeah, probably. Lane Hughes, what is up? It blows me away. The whales have allowed it to play out so textbook since November. Yeah, Lane, I actually was thinking about you today, man. I was thinking about you today because we were talking. You mentioned the other day that, you know, everyone's waiting for that 200-week moving average, and it's like, how could it be that easy? And I agreed with you. I was like, yeah, man, like, I mean, it does seem it seems too simple. Like, you know, you don't have to worry. Just wait till it goes to the 200-week moving average. You'll buy the bottom. Like, you think the whales probably know this, so why would they just let everybody do that? And I was right there with you, man. I was like, it does kind of seem too good to be true, but maybe, you know, we are coming down that 200-week moving average, but maybe they're still going to mess with us and it's going to get pushed below the 200-week. Right now, everyone's going to try to buy in here and they're just going to bust it right through. We'll have to see what happens, but yeah, Lane, I am right there with you, man. I'm absolutely, I am mind boggled by that. Yeah, it's insane. By some chance, my major alt gained heavy on the BTC pair, and I haven't seen a new lower low. I'm at the same price as when Bitcoin was at 28K. That's interesting. That is very interesting. But yeah, Crypto Carl, what's up? Constantine, what is going on? Yeah, that's called bias. Yeah, it's okay to have a bias as long as you don't like just shut out anyone else's opinion, right? It's totally cool. I have a bias too. I have a bias that you get the 85% correction. Maybe it's a little less this cycle. That's my bias too. But I don't come on here and tell you guys it's definitely gonna do that because that's dangerous. I have a responsibility, right? I can't just like lead you guys and like I don't come on here and go, it's definitely going down. Anyone who says it's not going down is an idiot. I don't do that. I investigate both sides for you guys and I present you guys with facts because that's the productive thing to do. And you know, like I said, I do subscribe to coming down at, you know, more in a bear market, like in a traditional bear market. But if it turns around, I'm the first person to come on here and tell you guys that that's not the case, guys. Now it's looking like this. Now let's attack it and let's jump into some trades and make some money because thank God we make money going either way. I really do feel like we're in another bull run right now because we're dumping, because we're just making money. So there's really not that much of a difference between a bull market and a bear market for a trader like us, because we're just getting the huge rips and the huge dips and we're cashing out both ways in the same way. All right, let's see. Frankie, ADA not going down as much as all their cryptos. Thoughts? Yeah, Crypto Nurkori. Actually, we're going to cover that in a minute. I'm going to talk about that. Crypto Crabman says this is like a vacation town banning tourists. Will Smith, that like button, everybody. Yes, smash up the like button, guys. We got 695 people in here. Shout out to everybody. If you're new here, my name is Frankie Candles. Welcome to Frankie Candles YouTube channel where I show you guys how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. And if you don't know what I mean, since crypto has crashed last night, I am up over $1,000, well over $1,000. So if you're scared or you're here because you think you're losing all your money, just know that you can also profit on Bitcoin as the price comes down. So I know a lot of people don't know that, or they're confused on how to do it. If you know you can short the market, but you don't know how, or you don't know how to trade and you don't know how to actually short the market, watch some of my YouTube videos. The tutorials on my channel show you how to do everything from learning TA to learning how to trade, to going on Femex and learning how to long and short the markets, where to set your stop losses, where to set your take profits. I show you everything so you guys can make money as the market crashes as well. Frank the Tank, Louis Ramos, what's going on? Blanchard's Bees, 700 in chat. Shout out to everybody in the chat. I love each and every single one of you. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. If you're new, you're stuck with us now. I'm here because it's fun. Hodgepodge, shout out to Hodgepodge. I appreciate you. Money on the side, money to be made. Let's go, Crypto Crabman. Let's see. There's about 20% above the USDT pairs. And Jason Casper and Lifer have been saying these are the ones that when we do start going back up, will shred as they are waiting to sell into Bitcoin pairs. Oh, gotcha, Lane, gotcha. Shout out to Jason Casper and Crypto Lifer, some of our favorite YouTube friends. I'm biased. I'm very, very, very bullish on Bitcoin. However, right now we're in the gutter and headed towards the sewage plant. Yeah, David, there you go. You could be bullish on Bitcoin long term and still say the price is going down. It's okay. It's okay. Shout out to you, David. In the next couple of weeks, there will be many premature rug pulls in many crypto projects, and it will create more panic in the crypto market. Lokesh, yeah, maybe. Yeah, I mean, yeah, tons of stuff like that is going to probably put some pretty bad sentiment into the crypto markets, possibly pushing us down more. The thing I'm really worried about is something really going wrong with the Celsius thing. If that thing really turns into a dumpster fire, could cause mass panic. Also, I don't really know how big of a deal it is, but I've been bringing this up all day. USDT still not fully pegged to $1, kind of sketchy. USDD losing its peg as well. I didn't even really know what USDD was until today, but I think it's a stable coin losing its peg, kind of sketchy. kind of Luna vibes. But yeah, yeah, interesting. Yo, Frank, I'm DCA the whole way down. XRP, let's go, OG Mac, let's go. Okay. Hey, Frankie, Blessed Auto Group, what is going on? Hey, Frankie, I've been using RSI versus price to find divergences and fib levels for support and resistance. It works, but I only do like 10% profits. What do you suggest to upgrade my trades? Okay, so you're going for 10% profits on each trade. That's totally fine, man, because what you can do is you can always increase your capital, right? So if you're not making enough money, you can increase your capital and you're still only going for those 10% gains. What you could do, I don't know if you're using leverage or if you're using a lot of leverage or a little bit leverage. There's a lot to be said about that. Where did you go? I lost that. I missed it. All right, I lost it. But yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I mean, keep going for those 10% gains. Maybe, I mean, you can look at your past trades and see, you know, if you're going for 10% and you saw that most of them were going more, you could kind of try to maybe go for a higher percentage when you get that 10%. You know, when you reach that 10%, instead of closing the entire trade, maybe what you could do is pull 20% of your trade out. Now, you're increasing your risk a little bit here, but, you know, take some profit off the table, move your stop loss to your entry point once you're a little bit in profit. So trade goes up 10%. Your stop loss goes to the entry. You take some profit off the table, and then it's a winning trade. It's a risk-free trade. And then if it goes up higher, you just keep moving your stop loss up. That's probably what you're looking for if you want to step up your gains a little bit. And that's a way to do it in a risk-free way, right? So you wait for your typical 10%, maybe take half off the table, move your stop loss to entry, and then ride the rest up. There you go. That's probably the answer you're looking for. That'll probably help you out a little bit. I forgot who said it, but shout out to you. Let's see. Isn't it obvious USA will make a government issue original digital dollar? Yeah, I think that's probably coming. The Bombo says, hey, Frankie, I have 600 and leverage at 5x. You considering it might be best to short ETH instead of Bitcoin, seeing I have half and ETH versus not that much Bitcoin. What do you think? Yeah, I mean, it's hard to say. I don't know if I fully understand the question, Bombo. Bullish div on the 1 minute. Let's go, Lane. Let's go. Yeah, markets like these are a great time to paper trade and figure it out. Crypto Crabman, not a bad piece of advice right there. Not a bad piece of advice. But yeah, I have 600 and leveraging at 5x. You considering it might be best to short ETH instead of Bitcoin. I have half and ETH versus not that much Bitcoin. Bombo, I wish if you could try to give me a little more details there. I'm not 100% sure exactly what you're asking. I kind of get the idea, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me know. Let's see. Lane says, in hindsight, Frankie, this dump was in play. I actually have sent you the data on Discord to prove it last week. And then again, 2 days ago, the CME dealers are the most short they have ever been. Interesting. Lane, I got to take a look at that. I've been behind on my DMs. I got to take what I sent you is more saucy than the CBBI, in my opinion, as a swing trader. Okay, interesting. Lane, I got to take a look at that. I definitely got to take a look at that. But getting back to the charts here, guys. Trying to decode what's happening here. You know, ETH just kind of still yeah, okay, all right. So here we go. We're watching these bear flags now like a hawk because we're on to you, crypto. We're on to you. We know what you're doing. We know you like those bear flags. Yeah, we'll just hold it there. But yeah, watching this again. If you guys are just tuning in, bear flag forming on ETH. You know, looking like it could dump us down to that $1,100 mark or this $1,000 mark, which is the top of a golden pocket. But let's move on here, guys. Let's head over to the DXY. Obviously making making some moves here. Oh God, I wish I could just automatically clip my streams when I say stuff. So we were talking about this, like, are we going to get a bounce and continue lower? But I was saying with the money flow, I believe it was on the 4 hour. Yeah, I was saying it was looking a lot more like a healthy correction. If you guys remember this, please, for the love of God, somebody remember this. I was saying I think we pumped like, yeah, 7.5%. We'll call it 7%, right? And then you get a healthy 50% correction from that impulsive move. Boom. So you went up 7%. And you came down 3.5%. Typically, that's a healthy move, and a lot of times you see things come back up and continue higher after that. And we literally said that. If anyone wants to clip that from a stream too, I'll give you like a big hug, or maybe I'll give you a trade signal or something in return. But yeah, we were saying that, and that looks like you know what was playing out. And I'm not saying that because we know everything. It could have easily happened the other way. I'm just saying I like to bring these things up because it proves that you know, if you know what you're looking for, you know, no one can predict the market, but you can have an edge, right? You know, we were talking about big impulsive move, 50% corrections healthy, and then you can continue higher. Again, I don't bring it up to be like, haha, see, we were right. I mean, we kind of are doing that because shout out to the CandleMafia. We do some of the best TA in the game. But I do, the real reason I bring it up is because I want to show you guys like, hey, remember I said when this happens and that happens, this could happen? Look, it happened. So I like to just kind of give you guys that reinforcement of, you know, we're not just sitting up here saying random stuff. We say things because they mean something. So I just like to point it out. 8-hour red dot on the DXY. That is not a bad sign. I mean, it's a bad sign for the DXY. There you go. Okay. So the thing I don't like about this is you have the 8-hour money flow crossover, right? But it is still relevant. Who said that? Who said it? The crypto bull. What is going on, man? Yeah, red. So we could cool down here. We could cool off a little bit, which maybe could, you know, end in a little bit of relief for Bitcoin. We'll keep an eye on it for sure. But again, that 8-hour money flow is not making me feel good on the DXY longer term. But yeah, taking a look at the SPY, guys, I want to talk about this because if you come down to the lower time frames on the SPY, if you don't know what the SPY is, it's just the S&P 500. Yeah, so, you know, you printed these blood diamonds on the lower time frames, right? 15-minute dumps you down. Another one dumps you down. Now, we typically are usually looking at this trend line. I will take it, but let's go back in time. I'm going to take you guys back in time. Back when we first started the channel. No, it wasn't right when we first started, but it was earlier in the days, March 2022. We were watching this these levels on the SPY. We were right here. We were saying, are we going to break out here? Nope. Are we going to break out here? Oh my God, we got the breakout. Boom. Bitcoin's going up. And then we started coming down. Boom, boom, boom. And we started testing this previous resistance as support. We bounced here. We bounced here. And now we are on our way to come down and bounce again. And you have some pretty good confluence between this downward trending line that was previously resistance that we're now finding support on. We can come down and bounce off of that. And then you also have the confluence of this previous support down here. And this is at about, this is like 360 and between 360 and 350. So I do think it is likely we could come down and test these levels, especially because we have this confluence here. So we might find some support here, hopefully. But I do think there is a chance that we can, there is a chance. Oh boy. I did not see this. I did not see this. Okay, well, there's probably a very likely chance that we come down and test these. You got a blood diamond on the 2-day. I will say I do look at the SPY, guys, but I don't look at it as probably as often as I should, or I don't look at it as intensely. I kind of just say, like, let me see what the SPY is doing. But there you go. Blood diamond on the 2-day. Yellow X on the 3-day. Not a good look, guys. Not a good look. This yellow X on the 3-day is bad. Have we ever had a yellow X? No. Oh, okay, you got some there. See, sometimes they're indicative of the bottom. But yeah, I mean, this one brought you down a lot. Yeah, they both brought you down a decent bit. But, I mean, you will notice it does happen. Yeah, hard to say. Definitely not good on such a high time frame like the 3-day. I do think it's very likely this yellow X brings you down to test these levels here at about, you know, around 350 to 360, which would not be good for Bitcoin. So yeah, let's see. Hey, Jimmy Two Shoes, Frankie Consigliere, Chart Boss, Jimmy Boyd, Boogie Down Bronx. Let's go, Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Let's get it, Jimmy Two Shoes. I got my black coffee right here, my man. Let's go. Salute, Jimmy. Salute. I have half an ETH worth of capital, so is it better to trade ETH versus Bitcoin as I have a smaller fund? Bombo, yeah, I mean, I don't know. To be honest, I've been trading ETH more than Bitcoin, which is weird because I go through phases where I trade Bitcoin more than ETH and ETH more than Bitcoin. It's very strange. ETH's been a little bit easier to call, in my opinion, recently. In my opinion, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess I would probably. Yeah, I would go for ETH, to be 100% honest with you. But only you can make your decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, I hope that helps you out, Bambo. Sorry, or Bombo. I'm sorry I wasn't able to understand that. Did that DXY 8-hour Blood Diamond confirm I'm on the train and we don't want to leave the stream to check? Let's see. What did you say? DXY 8-hour Blood Diamond? I don't think there was an 8-hour Blood Diamond, was there? No, I guess it did not confirm. You did have a yellow X here, which was making me feel confident that we could at least come down a little more, but no 8-hour Blood Diamond on that. Next, BTC CME gap at 19,000, correct? Yeah, I think there is. The traded ETH 1 minute chart, 1314 crossover. Hannah King says, what is your thoughts on metaverse coins like Mana and Sand? Those are what I'm looking to accumulate. Just to be clear, guys, I am not accumulating altcoins right now. Not really. I think I bought something recently. It was a very small amount. But I am not looking to accumulate altcoins right now. Especially if Bitcoin keeps bleeding like this, the alts are going to get absolutely crushed. So yeah, not buying altcoins right now. I don't think it's a horrible time to DCA into ETH and Bitcoin. Maybe Cardano, but I'm not really looking at alts right now. Bitcoin, ETH, maybe Cardano, something like that. XRP, things like that are things that I would be looking to accumulate. But for the most part, I am not looking at altcoins right now as they are likely to get crushed further. Captain Kirk. Well, guys, shout out to our wonderful mods, Captain Kirk, Crypto Anon, Tony D, and Tyler Durden. They help me out with the channel so much. Please show them some love in chat. They are the best. And Tyler and Captain and Tony and Crypto Anon have been crushing the trading game. So shout out to them. I want to say, hey, perks of helping out Frankie Candles is you get to crush the trading game. But I'm not going to lie. They haven't gotten any secret information, so they're just out there doing it themselves. So shout out to them. They are the best. Chances of the DXY forming a cup and handle. Yeah, I mean, you totally could. You know, like something like this, like a little boom and a little boom. Yeah, you could see something like that happening, probably. Yeah, especially with this 8-hour red dot. You know, you could get that 8-hour red dot. You cool off for a little bit, and then bada bing, you're off to the races, and Bitcoin goes to zero. PYR hasn't dropped past where it was when Bitcoin was at 28K. All right, nice. Gaining sats, always a good sign. Yes, Lane, absolutely. What happens when when Sailor gets liquidated? That's going to be bad. Yeah, shout out to Crypto Sasquatch, Bets, Mods, and the Gabe. Too early to buy small alts long term? In my opinion, yes. But you have to make that decision for yourself, because I can say I'm not accumulating alts. I'm not accumulating alts right now. I'm holding off. But for, tomorrow you can wake up and everything go ripping. So you don't want to listen to other people. You want to make those decisions yourself. 731 people in here, guys. Smash that like button if you like free NFTs or free Frankie Candles hats. Smash up that like button. For every 100 likes you guys get a spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure. There's 2 spots for a giveaway on that wheel as it wobbles behind me and almost falls over. So if you guys want to win some free NFTs, smash up that like button. Let's go. Shout out to everybody in here. If you're new, my name is Frankie Candles, and every day I show you guys how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down, and we do 2-hour live streams every single day. So if you're freaking out and you don't know what's going on with the price of Bitcoin, you can just come over to the Frankie Candles channel around 5:45, and we will be live every single weekday doing 2 hours of TA. I'm teaching you guys how to do TA, teaching you how to trade. We're showing live trades. We're doing everything on this channel. So shout out to the CandleMafia, and welcome if you are new. Let's see. What about mid-sized alts? Yeah, like I said, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP for the most part for me. I'm even holding off really for I buy a little bit of Cardano because I'm sending you guys the NFTs. That's really the only reason I'm buying Cardano. So I kind of buy it in chunks to get the NFTs and send them out to you guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP are kind of the only ones that I would feel comfortable buying. But yeah, you want to be careful with the alts. You want to be careful with the alts. What do you think? What do you think? Where will Bitcoin will go? I have open trade with 32 Bitcoin, long from 27K. Tell me in percent, what are the chances of reversal? By the way, my liquidation is 21.5. 32, you're trading with 32 Bitcoin? Long, oh my God, dude, you are crushed. Helson, where do you think Bitcoin? Dude, that is a hard question. First off, I'm sorry that happened to you. That is not fun. That is not fun. I've been in situations where I've lost a lot of money as well. And I know that is not fun. But I'll tell you what I think. I can't tell you where the bottom is. I wish I could. If I had a crystal ball, maybe I could. But these are the levels I'm watching. I'm going to do this just for you, man, because I feel your pain. Yeah, we are losing this spider line right now. Oh, God. If we lose this spider line, which it looks like we actually are right now, yeah. We have the 200-week moving average right at about 22,275. If we get down there and we get some bullish divergence, I think we could get a bounce off of there. But if we lose that, I think we're coming down to this spider line probably pretty quickly due to the gap in volume that we have right here. We would come down to this spider line at 21,450 about pretty quickly. And if we can hold that, I think we're coming down to this spider line pretty quickly. But because there is so little volume in this area, I think it will be a very quick, either a quick dump all the way to the bottom of the box, or you're gonna get a fast dump to this spider line, get a little bounce, fast dump to this spider line, little bounce, and then back to the bottom, which is at like 19.2. So these are the levels I am watching. I can't tell you if they're definitely going to get there or, or when they would definitely get there. The one thing that you have on your side, my man, is the 200-week moving average is there. But it's not possible to just wick below that and then snap back up. So the best advice I could give you is use a stop loss. I know it's easier said than done, but please, for the love of God, especially if you're trading with 32 Bitcoin, which I don't know if I read that wrong or if that's really what you're trading with, please, for the love of God, use a stop loss. You never want to be fully convicted that Bitcoin will not go below a certain level. You always want to assume that you could be wrong. And that's how I am able to stay profitable. It's more about not losing your money and slowly building it rather than getting these huge wins, guys. I think this is a big epiphany I had to have in my trading journey when I was learning was I kept going for that quick overnight 10K, that quick overnight 5K, that quick overnight 100K, right? I wanted to hit the jackpot. And it's easy to get excited about that with leverage especially. Something I had to learn probably the hard way was it's much better, even though it's more slow, it's more boring, it's not as exciting, is you got to get small wins over time. And as your account grows and you get more capital in your account, your position sizes are naturally going to grow, your profit potential is naturally going to grow, the speed at which you gain profit will naturally grow. It's a long game. It's not get rich overnight. I think it's a huge misconception in the trading game. People think they become a day trader and 2 months later they're driving a McLaren, trading on their laptop on the beach. It's just not how it works. And sure, if you use high leverage and a lot of money, you could catch a nice quick win overnight. But it's you don't want to. You want it to make it slow and steady. How much do you need to leave your job? Is it $1,000 a week? Is it $100 a day? Is it $200 a day? Is it $500 a day? What is it? Go for an attainable goal. Try to start off trying to consistently make $100 a week. Everyone starts at a different place, different amount of money, right? The more money you have, the faster you'll make money. But you don't just want to go for these giant wins. Consistency over time. Look at me. Listen, I could come up here and I could be entering giant positions. I could put a lot of money into a trade, right? And if it goes up 10%, I'm making cake, right? And I'm a YouTuber too, right? So like I have a reason to come on here and enter giant trades, but I'm not doing that. I'm consistently pulling 1,500 here, 1,500 the next day, 1,000 here, 500 here. I'm in 3 trades. They're all up $700, right? Like it's just here and there. And I lose them too sometimes. My losses are very small, but you know, I'm not going for like 10K, right? I could sit in this trade and wait for ETH to go to 0 to try to make 10K, or I could quadruple down on the position size. But I'm more about green trades, right? You want to, even if it's 10% a day, 20% a day, right? 5% a day, consistently making that money. You want to crawl before you could run. Whatever that saying is. But right, like I know I'm not up here putting 10K positions in. I could, but I'm not, right? Because you know, if I'm using 10K and it goes down, you get trapped in a bad trade, then you blew up half your account. You don't want to do that. Trade with 1 to 5% of your account, depending on how much leverage you're using, right? If you're trading with your whole account, you're doing it wrong. I promise you're playing a losing game. Please don't do that. And I don't know if that's your case. Maybe 32 Bitcoin to you. I don't know how much leverage you're using. That could be, you know, a small amount of money with a lot of leverage. I don't know. Maybe 32 Bitcoin is nothing to you. I don't know. But you want to crawl before you run, right?
My apologies.
It's okay, Siri. It's not you. It's not you. We're not yelling. We're just, I don't know. Siri, get out of here. But yeah, guys, you want to crawl before you can run. You don't want to get wrecked. So there you go. I hope that helps anybody out there. If you're learning, it's okay to make a small win. If you made 50 bucks on a trade, pat yourself on the back. Was it 10%? You can always change your capital size. You want to get good at getting the consistent gains, consistent percentages over time, and then you can always be, if you're making 10% a day consistently, eventually you're going to be to the point like, yeah, I'm definitely going to make 10% today, right? Or not today, like maybe go for 20% a week, whatever it is. Eventually you're going to get so comfortable and so good at doing TA and trading and risk management and getting so good at trading that you're going to be very confident that you're going to get at least 20% or whatever your goal is. You know, you're most likely going to get that over time. And as you get more confident, you can add more money to your positions and increase your gains. Anyway, guys, let's get back. So I hope that helps you out, man. I'm really sorry you're that down on that position. But yeah, I would say use a stop loss or maybe, you know, don't trade with money that you can't lose. I don't know if you can't lose that or not, but I'm just trying to help you out so you don't find yourself in this position again. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Anyway. As I show you guys a trade with no stop loss, but I have locked out $894 in here, and again, I am a very engaged trader. I am sitting at my computer. I get to do this for a living, so I am literally sitting in an office all day staring at the screen. This is my job, right? So if I were to walk away, even for like 20 minutes, I'm putting a stop loss on, right? So, but there you go. When using stop loss on KuCoin, do you use mark, index, or last price? Mark. People just looking at Bitcoin and seeing multimillionaire making crazy trades, and it's that trigger that it can be you. It could be you too, and they use money they can afford to lose, and then never trade. Exactly. Yeah, Lane. Yeah. You know, you hop on, you see CryptoFace making $1 million trades, right? The thing is, if CryptoFace loses that money, he's not gonna have to sell his house, right? He's got the money, right? So you just wanna be careful, right? Because it could be exciting. I've seen so many people try to leverage trade, and you know, the first day they're like, I'm up 10 grand. Oh my God, I'm gonna be rich. And then when you make that money that fast, you're thinking in your head, you're like, I'm a genius. I am good at this. I have a natural knack for this, and I'm gonna make 10K a day for the rest of my life. And a lot of times it's just a lucky trade, or you know, you didn't use a stop loss and you went for a wild ride that you just luckily it played out in your favor. But you want to be very calculated, very strategic, and you want to use money that you can afford to lose. You know, right now, even if this trade did get stopped out, or you know, if I got stopped out on this trade or even hit my liquidation point, like I pulled my profit, and it's not going to kill me to lose this money. I'm not going to lose my house or anything like that. So yeah, slow and steady, right? If you're super stressed out trading, you're using too much money. So there you go. Anyway, trade with 1 to 2x till comfortable. Yes, crypto bull. Absolutely. Absolutely. Being rich is way better than being poor. Flat smack. That is for dang sure. I could bet you that. So if he loses that 1 million, it's nothing. I mean, listen, maybe he might be pissed off. But yeah, he's probably not trading with money that he can't lose. Okay, so let's move on to some of these alts, guys. Cardano. Guys, can we talk about Cardano for a second? We're going to take a look at XRP as well. Cardano, XRP. We're going to take a look at Gala. We'll take a look at DOT. We'll take a look at STEPN. Check in on STEPN, Link, Solana, all the good ones. Avalanche, AVAX. We're going to take a look at all the good ones. I'm just going to kind of run through the list here. But starting with Cardano, guys, actually holding on reasonably well. All things considered, it's not, not looking too bad. Let me come off of the 5-minute chart here. Okay, so let's unpack this a little bit, right? So for Cardano, guys, let's go to the daily. Okay, so with this, actually, I think I put some Cardano TA in the Discord today. So let's see. Maybe something played out or maybe it didn't. Let's see. Yeah, so we threw this chart in. Said we come down to the green line. It says, ADA has been holding up pretty well considering all this carnage. We also do not have a 3-day yellow X on ADA, so that is a good sign, but I would expect it to continue to bleed if the market continues to go down. Obviously, here are some levels I'm watching. If we lose this general area we're at right now, I think we will probably come down towards 40 cents. If that breaks, we will most likely head into the 30s of cents, right? So yeah, so we're still holding this. We're still holding the line here. If we break this level, let me just get rid of this stuff. If we lose this level here, guys, I do think, we'll probably, like I said, come down to the top of this box, which is coming in at about 38 cents. 40 cents is right here where we previously bounced, so you might get a bounce there. But, for the most part, top of this gold box is probably where you're going to find some support. And, if we do wind up coming down into here, I think we will range around in the 20s a little bit, depending on how capitulative the move is. But one thing I do want to bring up is this volume gap. If we come to the bottom of this gold box and we pierce through it, there is not much holding us up until we get back down to this other gold box at about 18 cents. So these gaps in volume have played out very, very, very well. Every time we see one, we do get a very, very quick move to the downside, obviously because there's low volume. But yeah, we do have one here. But right now, the next level I'm watching for Cardano is about 38 cents. If we can break through this level, I would expect to find some support on this box. Or if we break in, I think we could range around in here. But like I said in the Discord, the real problem comes when we break this 30-cent level. 30 cents, 29 cents, and we come into this this black hole here, which I do think, maybe something like this. You come down, you start bouncing around a little bit. You come into this box, you bounce around, right? And then once you get into this volume, boom, you're just going to come down. Most likely, you will just come down very quickly to that second gold box at about 18 cents. Let's see. Holding long positions from 48K after average out. I'm at 27K. Thanks for kind words and lots of love. Yeah, Helson Gaming, man. We're rooting for you. If there's any, feel free to message me on Discord, man. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will try to help you. I will try to help you as much as I can, but I do really just want to make you aware. Stop losses. That's the one thing that I can say, man. Stop losses, stop losses, stop losses. So shout out to Helson Gaming. We're here for you, man. If I can't get to you, one of the Mafia members are always looking to help. So definitely hit me up if you have any questions. Jason Casper said, if 22.7 breaks, we will be going to the downside, and we're here right now. Oh, baby. 22.7. Oh, yeah, it's getting interesting, guys. Can we get something to happen on the live stream? Please, for the love of God. Every time we make a call or something on the live stream, as soon as I get off, we get huge moves. And I've had about enough of it, guys. We better get something. Oh, yeah, baby. So here you go, guys. Here you go. Oh, yeah. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Okay. Boom. Bearish retest. And here we come. The yellow X's are pushing us down. Now, this is our last line of defense here. We are literally sitting at our last line of defense until we start coming down here and bouncing around on this white box. Then we're meeting the 200-week moving average. If we break this, buckle up, people. Buckle up, because it's probably going to be a quick move down to, below. This could be capitulatory in here. I really do think that. Like I said, not financial advice. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. I will say this, guys. We have been on a tear. We have been on an absolute tear making these calls. We've been very, very, very accurate so far. But I am wrong sometimes, and I have been wrong in the past. So, you know, don't just take what I say as 100% fact, or it's definitely going to happen if I say it. It's not the case. But I will say, pretty proud of the calls we've been making. They've been playing out pretty beautifully. And I think the Discord's been a good tool for me to kind of get my trading thoughts out to you guys with... you know, without having to go live completely. I could kind of throw it in there, throw something. I think this is going to happen. And a lot of times they've been playing out. Super proud of them. But just remember, you know, we've been wrong. I've been wrong before. I don't win all my trades. So just know, you know what? You want to do your own research. Please. That's all I'm trying to say. Do your own research as well. You could take what I say and be like, all right, let me see if this guy knows what he's talking about. And you want to do your own research, right? And if it matches up, then, you know, maybe that's your, then you make decisions based off of that. But you don't just want to listen to me. And I said that if we come into this white box, we're going to dump down. Like, you never know. Bitcoin's crazy. We could come halfway into this box and then launch out. But, you know, we have been pretty close. So if this plays out anything like any of our other ones, I think we will have a pretty quick move to the downside. All right, let's see. If you go to there on chart, exact same level to the dollar. If you go to there on chart, it's our range that we used as a bull flag in the Christmas of 2020. The Germans are coming. 18K, baby. Let's do it. Day trading. Could be possible. So close, so close. This was the best day to short crypto in a while. Absolutely. Give me low AF. Let's go. ETH under 1,200. Hey, we'll be buying that. Frankie, looks like we are on track for my 25K subs by the end of the month prediction. I think 25K is... Are you talking about... I think you're thinking about 20K. No way. 25K seems like a stretch, if I'm being honest. I mean, I would love to hit 25K subs here by the end of the month, but I think that 17K next leg down. We're going to take a look at it in just a second. Is Bitcoin down? No, we're in a bull market. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I will say this, though. Thank God everything I say is recorded so people can go back and check, because you should see the random chats in the morning stream, or like even comments that I get, people being like, this idiot was calling for the bull run to start any day, like in his last video. And I'm just like, what? Like, literally have never said that. People just like make things up. It's so weird. I'll never understand trolls. I will never understand it. Yeah, it's just, I don't understand. Anyway, I'm 20x short VRA at today's top, sitting pretty. Let's go, Awake Hip Hop. I should get my money. I need my, where's my 10K? I don't know where my 10K is. People keep going into my safe and taking my money. But I wish I had it, because I'd be throwing it right now. Frankie, I love you, bro. Glad to see you killing it. Sub to you. Adam Kowinski. What is going on, Adam? Shout out to Adam. That's a good friend of mine, Adam. I love when my friends come through chat. Shout out to Adam. Fellow Long Islander. Fellow Long Islander. I love you, Adam. Thank you for tuning in, man. I miss you. I miss you. Let's see, especially if we have the same volatile movement. Yes. Oh, no. Frank, no, 25K. Okay. Listen, if we can get the price moving here, I'll live stream tonight. I will pay the Geek Squad extra money to come fix my internet tonight so we can go live. If we start dumping tonight, I will get in the car and come to the studio to stream. I will. I'll do it. You don't think I will? Watch me. Watch me. Anyway, let's see. What will be higher at the end of June? Frankie. Oh, guys. Who's going to get to 20K first? Us or Bitcoin? That's a close one. That's close. I think Bitcoin might be in the lead. Bitcoin's probably in the lead, but we're getting close. We're getting close. Seems like they are printing green dots on Market Cipher B like they are trying to fill a bag of M&Ms. XRP next really hard support around 27 cents. Yeah, Wick. What's up, Wick? Welcome back to the stream, my man. Honda Game says, so is Michael Saylor screwed? He might be. I don't know. Oh, God, guys, if we break this, I'm interested to see what happens with the 200-week and below. But speaking of XRP, guys, we took a look at ADA. I gave you some levels. Let's take a look at XRP and kind of what's going through my head here. So, you know, here we go. Good old XRP. Let's see. Our 6-day, nothing too crazy. Yellow X on the 3-day, yellow X on the 2-day, blood diamond on the daily, playing out. 12 hour, no. Daily blood diamond on that's playing out pretty nicely. Sitting at support right here at about 50 cents. Oh no, wait, what is going on? Oh, okay, so we came up. So yeah, the line's at 50 cents, but we are sitting at about 55 cents, I believe that. Oh, this is Gallo. This is not XRP. What is going on? Sitting here, I'm like 50 cents. Okay, actually XRP. Here we go, guys. Oh, actually, we put something in the Discord on XRP today, too. Did a bunch of alt TA for you guys today. Today at 9:15 a.m., we put these levels out, 32 and 29 cents. And then we said, so XRP is currently getting very close to a daily high-volume node at about 29 cents. This should act as very strong support. Other than that, it's looking as bad. It is looking as bad as everything else. The 3-day yellow X is really the main concerning signal on most of these assets. This is likely the leg down we've been waiting for. So if you guys have been watching the channel, you'll know that we have been waiting, at least on Bitcoin. We'll come back to XRP in just a second. But, we were, when we were down here and we came back up, right here, we were kind of waiting for this second leg down to create these big bullish divergences for a big relief bounce, and we just never got it. Could we be doing it right now? Because when you're looking at the daily, guys, when you're looking at the daily, you got your momentum waves coming up, and you have your price making lower lows, right? So this is a giant bullish divergence on the daily chart. So this could be what brings us up, but we'll have to see. This isn't even printing yet. We're not printing a green dot here yet, but this is something that potentially could happen, right? If we're coming down to that, right, we're real close to that 200-week moving average. Now we start printing a bullish divergence. That could be the point where we get a big bounce. So I will be keeping an eye out for that. On that for you guys. 730 people in here, guys. Let's go for 650 likes. I know we can do it. The like button is so close to where your mouse is right now. It just takes a little whoop and a click, and it makes a huge difference in my life. Just clicking that little like button affects my life directly. It helps the channel out, and it affects my life directly. All you have to do is move a little bit and click. And I'm going to give you guys free NFTs for it. It's the easiest way to help out the channel and spread this information to new people and spread our channel around so we can grow the Candle Mafia into an absolute unstoppable army. And that's what we're going for. 650 likes. I'll give you guys 10 spins on the wheel. How about that? Okay. Taking a look at XRP, guys. On the daily, you have your VWAP curving up on the daily. Looking at the 4-day, you have your VWAP coming down. The 3-day, yellow X, obviously. You're printing a red dot there too. Yeah, God, man. The 3-day with the yellow X and printing the red dot, and the 4-day looking to about to print a red dot. Same on the 5-day and the 6-day. It is really, really, really not looking good here, guys. Not looking good. Let's see. 4-hour bullish divergence confirmed. Isn't looking very powerful, though, if I'm being 100% honest, right? 4-hour back in the red with the money flow. This could come very deep. This wave could come much deeper. But yeah, let's zoom in here and look at, yeah, look at this, guys. These trades, I love the bearish retest, the breakdown, the bearish retest, and then this is where you would enter the trade. Hang on. Can I please just change this? Where's my... For the love of God, somebody get rid of this arrow. I'm over this arrow. Go away. Okay. So you break down, right? Oh my God, it's back. I'm so sick of this. Sorry, guys. We got to get rid of this arrow. Okay. So you come down, right? You bounce up, bearish retest, and then this is where you would enter, but you also get the blood diamond confirmation, right? So boom, boom. You're looking to enter a short, then you get the blood diamond, you're like, I'm definitely entering the short, and then this, I think, will definitely, this will most likely bring us down to about 29 cents, but this is a high volume node, a very high volume node, so I think it will act as very strong support coming up into the higher time frames. That is our last level that we have for XRP. So I will try to come up with some new levels. But I think that 29 cent level is probably likely. but it is very strong being such a high volume node. So I think you should hold it. If something changes, I will update you guys in the Discord. But we're kind of at our last line of defense here. We are how far away from the 29 cents? About 6%. So if Bitcoin decides to take another tumble, I think we could come down to that 29 cent level. This is where I am probably looking to start buying some more XRP. All right, let's see. The Anxious Investor asks your recommendations on cold and hard wallets. I don't use them that much. So I might not be the best person to give you a recommendation for this, but I do know a lot of people that use them. Ledger, and I've heard good things about the Arculus wallet. Now that is one that is shaped like a card, and I think you can like tap it to your phone and access your crypto on your phone, which is pretty cool. But again, I'm not a huge hardware wallet guy. But I would say, I mean, the big ones, Ledger, Trezor, and Arculus. I know Arculus. I think Arculus is a little bit newer, but I've heard good things about it. So, but yeah, again, I don't want to. I'm not the biggest. I'm not the biggest hardware wallet guy. So, Frankie, it just broke. Lee, what is up, Lee Joyce? Welcome to the stream. I'm not 100% sure what you mean about that. BTC hit the 200 week, guys. This is exciting. Question is, what chart did we have that on? Oh, coming down to the 1 minute. Oh, baby. Okay. Guys, things could get interesting here. Things could get interesting. I might stay on a little longer today. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see if we can get something to happen. All right, let's see. Did the BTC 1 hour yellow X confirm? It did. Oh my God. Yeah, not looking good, guys. Not looking good. I think this spider line is probably inevitable. Doesn't mean 100%. I'm just saying it is likely that this yellow X, if we break that 200-week moving average, can bring us down here. Yikes. All right. So we gave you the XRP levels, 29 cents at that high volume node. Let's take a look at Gala. We love Gala. Let's just check chat real quick. Do we have to see a double bottom on the 200 moving average? Not really. Super on 200, Frankie to the dollar. I'm not 100% sure what that said. Hello there, you are amazing. Thoughts on Shiba Inu? Can it go back to 30? Christian Kargala, I don't know how to say your last name, but Christian is Shiba. It's questionable if Sheeb's even going to come back next cycle. Sheeb has basically no use case. I wouldn't be banking on it coming back. Could it? Yeah. But I wouldn't be banking on it. It's not a strong project or anything like that. But it's hard for me to say. If I had to guess if it'll come back to 30 or 40, I don't even know what 30 or 40 means. Let's take a look at Sheeb. Sheeb's got to be taking a hit hard, huh? Yeah. I don't know what 30 or 40, like 0.0003330. I don't know exactly what you mean. I don't follow Sheeb. I don't ever look at Sheeb. But if I had to guess, I would guess that there's probably a low chance it even comes back in the next bull run. But it doesn't mean it can't, right? Probably just asking the wrong person. I don't really pay attention to Sheeb. I don't invest in meme coins. That not to say you can't. I always say this. Not to say that you can't make money with them. You totally can make money with them. I personally just don't invest in them. So it might be better off asking somebody else. But I don't know if it's gonna go back to wherever the price was. But if I had to guess, like I'm not buying Sheeb. I have zero interest in buying Sheeb at all. So I don't know. If I had to guess, probably not. There's really no reason for it to come back. But it's hard to say. I'm sorry, Christian. I wish I could give you a better answer, man. But I can't. Man, BTC just dropping. It's like a hoot. It's hoot. Ripple SEC case win right now would be crazy. Yeah, it would be nuts. Let's see. Doge almost at 4 cents since May. Since many exchanges are going to bankrupt in the U.S. is going to ban most of the cryptos. Maybe. I mean, I don't know. I don't think they can really ban it. I guess they could. Frankie about to be on stream all night tonight with all this action. Yes, B Crypto, let's go. Absolutely. Once in a lifetime, maybe. Diamond Sauce, what's going on? Welcome back. Is it me, or does today feel like a weird Christmas? It does. It does. I feel excited today. These dumps, the energy even in the office, usually like during the bull run, it's like everyone's excited when we pump, and then on the days where we're dumping, everybody's in a bad mood. Not a bad mood, but you could just tell everybody's off. But recently, these dumps, everybody's been like happy on the dumps. Everyone's just like running around, having a good time, and everyone's got high energy on the dumps. That's how you know you're in a bear market. When the dumps stop affecting people's emotions, that's how you know it's a bear market. And me, I'm going nuts because we're just cashing in on these dumps. Up 70. Captain Kirk says up 70% on BTC shorts since your stream started. Captain Kirk, double salute to you, Captain. Let's go, you guys. Oh, you know what? Speaking of trading, guys, we're gonna take a look at Gala in just a second. But let's come over to our winners wall and let's see. Look at that, Captain Kirk, first one in. Over 15% profit since Frankie started the stream. Oh, you just put that in there. Let's go. There's another one just opened and still in a trade. Thank you for all you do, Frankie Candles. Captain Kirk, I love you. And congratulations on your winning trades. Let's go ahead and let's see. I guess we can, I guess let's just start here. I don't want to spend too much time. Captain, you are all over the place. Okay, so we'll start from yesterday. We got Thesis himself up about 58%, $275. Let's go. The Thesis himself, congratulations. 69% for Jay Smith on a Bitcoin short. Ship it to Papa, 13% on a nice Ethereum short. Pro Assaulter up 15%. Nice. Look at all these wins, guys. Captain Kirk with a 17% Bitcoin long. Let's go. 3 Much Guapo, 14% on a Bitcoin short. Ethereum short as well, 50%. Nice work, everybody. Crawler, quick scalp for the morning. One and done. Let's go. Everybody's just caking in here. I love it. Ethereum up 30%. Shout out to the Candle Mafia. A5 Dread. What is going on? 31% on a Bitcoin short. And then another one, 62% on a Bitcoin short. Pro Assaulter with another 24%. 148% for Wolfman. Ate my coins. Congrats. I know you're in here tonight, man. Congrats to you. Nice big old win for you. A nice Bitcoin short. 100% Big Nick. Big Nick Vend. 101%. Let's go on 10x leverage. Isaac, Aussie Pride, let's go. Shout out to Australia, 69% out there watching the American streams in Australia, caking those Aussie dollars with the New York sauce. You're taking the New York sauce and you're making the Australian money. Let's go. First time posting in here, hopefully many more, 68%. Shout out to Lenny. Let's go. Bitcoin short, absolutely insane. $144 or 243%, 345%. Who is this? Curtis Neal, congratulations, man. Absolutely crushing it. Another 173%. 756. You guys are psycho. You guys are absolutely insane. 756%. 11% for Captain. And then we read this one, 25% for Captain. Rob the Crypto Snob with a 53% around KuCoin. Let's go. Captain Kirk still in during Frankie's stream. Let's go. 121%. 620. Crypto Anon out there slanging the gains, my man. What do you mean 6,226%? Anon. Dude, you need to chill out. Anon, calm down. What do you mean 6,200%? What are you doing? 100x. Let's go. Crypto Anon, you're a savage, dude. You are an absolute savage. I would throw my entire stack of 10K for you if I had it on my desk right now. Shout out to Crypto Anon out here making 6,000%. Let's see. Just opened on the stream. Bing bong, 75%. You guys are literally just making money during the stream. This is amazing. Thank you, Frankie. Anytime. Alpsen, I don't know how to say your name. 75% during the stream, just watching me and making money. Absolutely love it. Wolfman ate my coins. 145%, 148%, 62% for Pro Salter, 443%. Not mine, but need to be wrecked. Drippin' Cheese, 443%. Absolutely savage, guys. You guys are out here just absolutely killing it. Say bye-bye to 22K. Oh, no. What's going on? What's going on? Can't we just celebrate our wins, guys? Come on. Why do we have to watch Bitcoin dump? Oh, okay, here we go. Let's go. Let's go to the 5 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. She going down. She going down. How's the ETH trade? How's the ETH trade? Let's check it. 763%. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's go. The only reason I'm mad about this trade is because I didn't add to it. That's the only thing I hate. But notice I'm not FOMOing in, guys. Yo, Frankie, what's up, my man? Hey, Jim, or Gim, what is up? Sorry I'm late. No problem. I got your late pass right here. Just added another $750 to my Bitcoin short token. Let's go, Tony D. I hope it plays out in your favor. Oh, no, I'm getting the FEMAX notifications. The Bitcoin price dramatically decreased within the last 24 hours. The current spot price is $22,165. And the perpetual contract price is $22,100. Let's go. Let us go. But shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody in the Discord making money during the streams. You guys are absolutely savage. What's up, Frankie? How are you? Feeling good today? Cheers, mate. Hey, Polo, Jorge, or George Oliveira. What is going on, man? I'm feeling great. I'm feeling real good. We're up on our ETH trade. We're watching Bitcoin dump live, and we're making money while we're doing it. And chat is making money at record rates. We just looked at the Discord from yesterday. We read off like 50 people making winning trades. It was amazing. So shout out to you, man. Josh says, can you check into Theta? I can check into Theta. Please pull your stop loss now. Let's see. Yes, Sailor is probably crying right now. First time here, Frankie. Servando Estrada. What is going on, man? Welcome to the stream. My name is Frankie Candles, and every day on this channel, I show you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down. And if you don't believe me, I mean, we just went over all our wins for our community making money. But here you go. Here's an Ethereum trade I'm in right now, and you could see as we dump, we are just making more and more money as, oh, now it's going away. But yeah, we're making money on these dumps. We're not scared of dumps. We like dumps. We see money when we pump. We see money when we dump. So welcome to the CandleMafia. I hope you stick around and make some money. We got people in chat making money right now. They started the stream, hopped in a trade, and now they're making money. Whether they are making those decisions based off of me is none of my business. But not financial advice, guys. Anyway, surprised with the ETH dump considering the ETH2 staking lock. JCK Brennan, I am not surprised by the Ethereum dump just because of how the technicals looked. I know that the Ethereum merge is coming, or the ETH2 merge is coming, but it did not come as a surprise. Well, I thought that ETH was going to dump since June 7th. As you can see here, I said ETH on June 7th. ETH is looking pretty bad right now with red dots printing on all these time frames, blah, blah, blah. With the blood diamonds, it could bring us down to the 1500. I was expecting a dump. And if you're not in that Discord, get in there because you would have known too, and you could have cashed out just like we did. Here to celebrate Bitcoin's death. What is up, Dragon? Let's go. Frankie, you think we'll bounce off the 200-week EMA? I think you mean the 200-week moving average. It is not an EMA. There actually is a difference. I'm going to take this. Maybe you do know the difference, but I'm just going to take that typo as a chance to explain. 200 moving average, the 200-week moving average, and the 200-week EMA are two different things. One is a moving average, and one is an exponential moving average. Exponential moving averages put more weight on the most recent price action, which sucks the moving average closer to the price. So if you're trading, if you're like day trading, it might be a little better to use EMAs because it reacts to the price faster. And the 200 regular moving average is, we are starting, I mean, this is the 5-minute chart, but we are starting to hold that 200-week moving average. You can see we just printed a green candle on there holding it perfectly. But it doesn't mean we can't break down though, I'm just saying. But there is a difference between the EMA, there you go, diamond sauce. Sailor is definitely sweating. Welcome to crypto, Sailor. This ain't no gold. But yeah. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. We got 750 people watching. 650 likes. You guys are getting 10 spins on the wheel. 750 likes. 750 likes. I will do a big giveaway. 750 likes. 750 likes. I'll do a big giveaway. I'll give away like something big. Like not Bitcoin Miami big. Like we did in the past, but I'll give away something good. I'll give away something good. We gave away hats last week and NFTs. I'll give away something good. Yeah, 550 likes. Yeah, guys, run it up to 6. You guys get 650. There's 10 spins. You run it up to 800. I'll give away something big. Anyway, yeah, smash up that like button, guys. And the more, every 100 likes, you get a spin on the wheel. 2 chances to win a giveaway on that wheel. So smash them up if you like free stuff. Anyway, would anyone ever use the 200-week EMA, or is that nonsensical? I don't know. I don't really trade the weekly, to be honest. What's up, Frankie? Chemistry, bro. What is up, man? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for being here again. We love you, Chemistry, bro. Smash those likes. Hope said it, not me. Lambo? Lambo? There is a Lambo, like, in the other room. But it's not my Lambo. At least not yet. Maybe I'll buy Ben's Lambo one day. Anyway, so yeah, okay, there you go. Holding that 200-week moving average, which is to be expected, to be honest. I was expecting a little bit of a bounce at least. Doesn't mean we can't break lower. But, yeah, watching it like a hawk. Maybe this is, you did get a bullish divergence. I mean, this is the 1 minute, though. So you want to remember that. Let's see. Not looking. But if we hit 750, I add 10 NFTs. Okay. If we hit 750 likes, I'll give you guys 10 spins. No. 6. Was it 750 or 650? I don't know. If you get it to 750, Tony D just automatically, we're giving away 10 NFTs. There you go. I'll throw another 10. So if we hit 750 likes, we'll automatically give away 20 NFTs. And everybody's winning. But anyway, shout out to Tony. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. New to the channel, Frankie, Crypto Dagger. I like that name. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. My name is Frankie Candles, and every day on this channel, every weekday at 5:45, I go live and I do 2 full hours of technical analysis. I teach you how to do TA, I teach you how to trade, and I teach you how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down, as you can see. So, welcome to the Candle Mafia, Crypto Dagger. I feel like you found a good home here. So stick around and make some money with us. Make some money with the people in chat, because they're half watching me and half watching the charts, trading, making money. So shout out to everybody. Rafi, what is going on? Candle Mafia short is the sauce. Let's go. Let's see. Bing bong. Yo, Frankie EXP show. What is going on? Crypto Camper, good afternoon. I hit the like. Let's go. Yeah, 750 likes. We're giving away like 20 NFTs. So, smash those likes. Servato Estrada said it, not me. Let's go. Thank you for all you do, Brian. No problem. Started watching you on BitBoy, and now I'm a Mafia member. Army Piper, welcome to the Mafia, man. Welcome to the best crypto community on YouTube. We're having a good time over here, and we're making money together. And we're positive, vibey people, right? We just hang out and have a good time, but we like to make money as well. What were we just going to cover? We were just going to do something. I heard we're going to all-time highs tomorrow, 100K Bitcoin. Rafi Candle Mafia. Yeah, Rafi changed his name to Candle Mafia. Rafi Candle Mafia. Let's go, Rafi. That is dedication. I love you, man. We should just give you a giveaway for that. Tell TJ his GTR needs to race the Lambo. Okay, I'll say it. Thank you, sir, and the Candle Mafia Crypto Dagger. No problem, man. Welcome to the family. Bing bong peeps, at least we are getting to the bottom, however long it might take. Absolutely. Christine, what is going on? Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Hit Visual says, it's my birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday. Bitcoin to the bottom on your birthday, my man. Right now, my ear's not working. My heart's beating like horse race, anxiety. Oh, God, Helson, man. I just know I feel for you, man. I feel for you. Chemistry Bro says, I'm having to exercise patience and not throw my stable coins back in right now. Yes, sit on your hands, people. Sit on your hands. But who knows? You might get a good buy in here. Short's gonna get wrecked. Bing bong. Justin, that's funny. I just like shorts are gonna get wrecked. Bing bong. You're funny, dude. Yeah, at some point they're gonna get wrecked. Yeah. Yeah, we've been winning all our shorts, but you're gonna win them till you don't. So you're not wrong there. One day closer to the bull run. Hey, Crypto Carl, that's not wrong either. Shout out. LFG, yo, I'll take any giveaway you got as long as it comes from the heart. Rafi, they all come from the heart. Absolutely. BG Banks says, Mafia killing it. Frankie does the best TA. Let's go, BG Banks. I appreciate you, man. You're family. You're family. Do I watch Lifer every day? Heine, I don't know if you're talking about me or somebody in chat, but I do not watch Lifer every day. I hopped into streams a couple times last week to say what's up. Tether is having issues. Yes. I think we are actually doing a collab with Lifer very soon. I gotta hit him up. But yeah, I hop in Lifer's stream sometimes. I say what's up to y'all in chat. He's got a good community. He has an awesome community up there. Mostly good vibes. Almost all good vibes, which doesn't surprise me because Lifer is good vibes. He literally emits positive energy. Yeah. All right, 727 people in here. Almost at 700 likes, 750. We give away 20 NFTs. So let's get there, guys. Let's get there. Let's go ahead and check on some of these other alts. Let's check Solana. Let's see. I have some funds I can move. My liquidation to oh god. Already up 7%. Let's go, Captain Kirk. La Candle Nostra. Let's go, Frankie Mafia. Let's go, CandleMafia. Let's go, Grizzly Bull. What is up? What's up with Theta? Okay, yeah. Actually, let's check Theta because I think I said I was going to look into that and I didn't. Taking a look at Theta. Okay. Boom. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, money flow coming up on the 12 hour. No, I'm just joking, guys. I mean, I'm not joking, but, you know, take that with a grain of salt. Obviously, we are dumping. Check the 4 hour. Snake Eyes on the 4 hour. Let's see. Do you have all the yellow X's and blood diamonds? Okay, interesting. You don't have any of the blood diamonds or yellow X's that we're getting on anything else, which is interesting. Yeah, wow. Okay, holding up on these super bearish signals. Yeah, okay, you got to yell. Yeah, I mean, it's looking better than everything else, that's for sure. Yeah, looking better. Money flow coming up on the 1 hour. I don't want to say anything is going up right now, just because it's likely that everything is going to get spanked. ETH under 1200, my god. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. ETH, how we doing over here? Yeah, not looking too bad on the trade. But yeah, it's bloody out there, guys. It's bloody. But yeah, I don't want to say anything going up, but I will say this looks much better than a lot of other things. I will say that. I will say that. You are coming up to resistance here. Yeah, I don't want to get too into this and like because I don't want to say it's going up and then it's not going to go up because everything is just in the garbage right now. But yeah, I don't want to say it's going up, but it definitely looks better than most things. I will say that. You have money flow coming up on the 30-minute, money flow coming up on these. Yeah, let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, most likely it's not gonna do great. You know, money flow coming out on the 4 hour, looking to cross back over into the red. That's pretty bearish. But yeah, I guess the bullish sign is that there's no blood diamonds and yellow X's on these higher daily time frames. So, but don't get it twisted. If Bitcoin continues to dump, Theta's going to feel it as well, most likely. Let's see. We about to go lower? All right, let's check it. Bum, 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 bum. All right, let's see. Let's go to the 15-minute. Yeah, let's go to the 1 minute DGen time frame. Yeah, we are below the 200-week moving average at this point. Yeah, she looked like she gonna go. Maybe double bottom. Maybe a double bottom. Can you double bottom, reverse right out? Who knows? Maybe. With a big arrow like that, who can deny? But no. Yeah, I mean, you do have your VWAP coming up on the 1 minute. You might get a little bounce here. Maybe another bearish retest before coming lower. Yeah, you do want to know that we do have big gaps in volume around here, so it could start to pick up the pace pretty quickly here. We could see the biggest short squeeze ever in these conditions. Yeah, definitely the conditions to get squeezed out. That's for sure. What do you suggest I can move my liquidation to? Helson, I don't know, man. I don't know if I would... Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say, man. It's hard to say. The fact that no whales are trying to grab liquidity from the shorts is beyond me. Yeah, it is getting kind of crazy, man. I just bought 1K. I would kick myself in the arse for not buying in this moment of history. Yes, absolutely, absolutely. All right, no bullish divergence there. Let's check the 15-minute. VWAP coming up on the 15-minute as well. Random line, somebody making an NFT. That's for the OGs. You guys remember that. But yeah, I mean, shoo. Yeah, nah, not quite. There's no liquidation price right now. Thanks for the continued updates. T. Grace, no problem. Frankie, if you saw the CME data that I sent you on Discord, you would know what I'm talking about. It's crazy. Yeah, Lane, I got to check that out. That was a weak attempt to make a W. Yeah, I'm not, oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Are we going to see it? Are we going to see it, baby? Oh, baby. It's going to crack. It's going to crack. It's going to crack. Oh, God. Oh, God. I've held cash for 6 months to buy Bitcoin. Binging and bonging, baby. Captain Kirk, absolutely. When Lambo, maybe Corolla? I'll take a Corolla. Very reliable. Connor says random line captured and stored. Thank you, Connor. You're doing the Lord's work here. Weekly RSI is mad. Crazy to think that we might never see these prices again. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Oh yeah, she going, baby. She going. Oh yeah. How's ETH holding up? How is ETH holding up? I don't think guys. The alts are gonna bleed, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on them. Let's just watch this in all of its glory. Checking on the trade, 770. Maybe we just watch this. Maybe we watch this. Let's go to the 1 minute. Boom. Switch it to Heikinashi candles because we're not crazy people. I'm just kidding. If you guys like Heikinashi candles, it's okay. I just like to joke about it. Anyway, let's see. All right, here we go. Is she going? She going? Let's go. I will buy some ETH at 1K and then keep buying below. All right, let's go, chemistry, bro. Not a bad plan. 3-day RSI is saying this is the bottom, Frankie. So let's look at that, actually, because I wanted to talk about this. Let's see. Pull up the RSI. There it is. Okay, so let's actually get rid of Market Cipher B here. Yeah, I mean, so yeah, that's... It's, down here, you want to realize, like, yeah, like, we are oversold like crazy. Absolutely. But just because the RSI is bottoming out like this does not mean it's the bottom. Does it mean that it's probably close? Yes. But the thing with the RSIs is people don't realize that, you could come up a tiny bit and then come back down a little bit. You could hang out down here for a while as price continues to come down. But this is oversold as all, can't curse on the channel. But, yeah, I mean, it is oversold. I mean, we're more oversold than we were in, during the 2020 capitulation, during the March 2020 capitulation. We're basically at the same point as the bear market in 2018. So that would indicate we are, pretty close to the bottom. It only goes lower once. Yeah, I mean, so here's the thing is like, that could be saying that we're either at the bottom or close to the bottom. Absolutely. Definitely possible. But the thing you want to realize is like, right now, like I think, and Lane, I'm not saying you think this, I'm just saying in general. Yeah. So you're saying it's a range. Yeah, totally. Yeah, I mean, this is the most oversold we have been in for, basically since the 2018 bear market. So we got to be getting close, right? Unless something crazy happens, like, listen, if something like Luna were to happen tomorrow, this RSI is not going to care. This RSI is not going to be like, oh, well, I'm already oversold, so I have to go back up. Like, if something crazy happens, we can go lower. But if we, we could get, a little move. The other thing is, too, this could, if we move up, like, we could also come up and then come back down to lower prices. But we are indeed the most oversold we have been in quite some time. So, yeah, this would be indicating that we are pretty dang close to the bottom, if not already there. And I don't mean the bottom of the bear market. I just mean like a local bottom, right? I would call it a local bottom. Let's see. Smash up the likes. 43 to go. Oh God, we're gonna have to give away 20 NFTs. And no telling if we go sideways there, but a bottom is forming somewhere around here, unless Alt has. Yeah, Lane. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. Yeah. As long as you understand that Alt TA could go out the window if something crazy happens, but TA wise, yeah, this looks like we're probably gonna turn around some point. Let's see. Right on, John. Cardano holding up well is a sign of feeling to quality. Yeah, Cardano has covered. Cardano has held itself pretty well. Let's see. Satoshi Nakamoto just sold his 1 million BTC. Look at his wallet. What? I wish I had more liquid. How much time do we have at these prices? Hard to say. Let's see. Juan says, how much do you think ETH drop will go? I mean, we could go as low as we want. Coming in at 1180 right now. Oh, boy. I think, next major level, let's see. Let's see. Lane View says I was wrong, man. Lane, I'm wrong too sometimes. I wouldn't fret over being wrong. I've been wrong 100 times. But anyway, yeah, these are the levels I'm watching on ETH if we continue to dump down out of that. And also, guys, just in the time of this stream, can we all just give it up for the bear flag? Give it up for the bear flag, guys. As I said at the beginning of the stream, somebody clip it. The bear flags, we've been loving the bear flags in crypto recently, and they've been playing absolutely beautifully. And this one was not played out yet, and through the stream, it played out completely. We were saying earlier that we thought we could bring it down right here, this bear flag. And this is at about $1,100. I think you can come down to $1,100. That is my next level. If we break 1100, I think we will come down to the top of this golden pocket at about $1,000. Slide that over. So these are the two levels I'm watching on ETH. First level being at 1110. Let's see. Let's see. Chemistry PS says, oh, Frankie, you saw the 21 weekly moving average cross the 100 weekly moving average. So many indicate the bottom this week. Yeah, there is a lot of things. I'm not, man. This guy is just calling me out. Where's his prediction? Yeah, Lane, listen, man. It's not. I'm wrong, too. So you guys can clown me when I'm wrong, too. I don't stress it too much. Let's see. 3K incoming. Oh, baby. Maybe. Why is Cardano holding up so strong? Sheesh. Yeah, I don't know. Cardano is definitely holding up pretty good. 45 cents, I would have expected a lot lower. If I saw all the prices and then someone said, you haven't seen ETH yet, guess what ETH is, guess what Cardano's at, I would have guessed a lot lower than 45 cents, if I'm being honest. But yeah. Let's see. Very true. Thank you. I'm up on a Sol trade 60% right now. Would love to hear your input on Solana. Okay, I'm going to cover Solana. This is going to be the last one I cover because I wanted to stay on longer, but I totally forgot. I do have to do this BitBoy crypto video real quick. So let's cover Solana real quick, and then we'll just kind of do a recap, kind of give you guys my last thoughts before we hop off. Let's see. Let's see. All right, let's pull up Market Safa B. Let's see. Okay, so Solana, let's check these higher time frames. 6-day. Do you have the 3-day yellow X? Yeah, okay, so you got the 3-day yellow X, printing that red dot. Yellow X not confirmed. I do think it probably will confirm, though. 30, yeah. So, yeah, that's not the best look. 2-day yellow X, daily yellow X, 16, no, 12, no. But here you go. Descending triangle broke down, right, as they typically do. Next level here. Does look like you're starting to lose the level we're at right now. Yeah, bearishly retesting. Yeah, I mean, the bottom of this box is about $17. Now, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be like the fastest move down there, but let's pull up the VPVR. Oof. Yeah. All right, let's come over here. Alright, let's head back. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, alright, let's come down a little bit here. You do have some support here at about 25.35. I think it's probably likely that you get down there. 18-minute money flow coming up, but now you're back in the red. Yellow X on the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, boom, boom. Yeah, I think it's likely that you come down to 25.35. If you lose that, probably going to get a little closer to about 20 bucks. And then below that again is 17.50. But let's wait till we get there. I would say your next level to watch would be about 25.35. Let's see. We close to double bottoming. Hey, Crypto G, possibly. Can BTC go up right now? It could. Crypto Cal, it could. I'm not watching my trades, just watching your video on TV. Please go back to the Bitcoin 5-minute chart and predict. All right, yeah, let's check. As we sign off here, guys, let's just go ahead and check on. Let's go ahead and check on Bitcoin one more time. Could get interesting tonight, guys. Could get interesting with these yellow X's on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 minute and just kind of see if we're still holding that. Oh, boy. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So right now, guys, we are just dancing. Just absolutely dancing with this 200-week moving average. If we get rejected hard here, it's probably going to be a quick move down to this area, about 21,475. And then it's probably going to be another quick move down if we break that to about $20,085 or about 20K even, basically. But there's low volume in these areas. I think we could get a pretty quick move down. So, guys, I think that's all the time we got for today's stream. Let's go ahead and what's the fun? Actually, let's check that real quick. Let's look at that. He's asking about like what's like everyone freaking out about USDT depegging. I don't know why my computer is bugging out right now. So yeah, a lot of people are freaking out that Tether has not repegged to $1. So yeah, like as you can see right now, it's about 0.998 cents. Now, I mean, I don't know. It's just, it hasn't repegged to $1 since the Luna thing happened. And I think it's freaking a lot of people out. I don't know how big of a deal it is. Maybe it's a big deal. Maybe it's not. I'm not 100% sure. But it has not repegged to $1 yet, which is kind of sketchy, I guess. But, like I said, I'm not really like a Tether expert. But, yeah, it's definitely still not repegged to $1, which I guess is kind of sketchy. If something were to happen to USDT, I think that could be really bad for the crypto markets in general. Hey, the Crypto Bull, no problem. Smash the like button if you're bullish on Frankie. Let's go, Rafi. I appreciate you. Daddy Zach says, hey, Frank, could you tell me more about the purple and green lines on Market Cipher and how to read them? Daddy Zach, maybe we'll make a video on that. You're talking about the RSI and the stochastics up here. I'll try to make a video about these, but it is the end of the stream. I do have to get to this BitBoy crypto video, so I'm not going to cover it today, but we will cover it in the future, maybe tomorrow, maybe in a future stream. Shout out to Daddy Zach. 3 more likes to get to 753. Let's go, baby. Smashing through those likes. All right, so I guess we're giving away 10 NFTs. Already start. No. I said 10. Tony said, so we're giving away 20 NFTs right off the bat on Monday. Right off the bat. So let's go ahead and spin this wheel so we can get out of here and make this BitBoy crypto video. Let's see. Here we go. Bada boom, baby. Here we go. Here we go. So what? And I said 10 spins too. I said 10 spins. Guys, You guys are getting some giveaways today. You guys are absolutely getting some giveaways today. Here we go. Spin number 1. I remembered the screen, guys. I remembered it. Oh, night off, baby. Night off. Spin number 1. Spin number 2. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. You guys are amazing. Robert Cadena, what is up, man? We love you. V-Slim, so many likes today. Absolutely awesome. Let's go. You guys run it up to 800? I'm doing something. I'm doing something at 800. I don't know what. But all right, spin number 3. Here we go. I guess it ain't over till it's over for Tether. Yeah, that is true. Bring the spins. Let's go, Neil. Let's go. 15-minute Discord hangout. I will be in there tonight probably, guys. Spin number 4. Let's see what they can do with spin number 4. Give them a giveaway, guys. Give them a giveaway. Give them a giveaway. Ooh, the crickets, baby. The crickets. I did get night off, so I'm not eating the crickets. I'm kidding. I'll eat the crickets right now. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. You guys think I'm scared? I'm not scared. Here we go. Oh, rug pull. Okay, guys. 3 cricket heads came out. These are just the heads. Ugh, that was kind of weird. Okay, spin number 6. I think it might be spin number 5 or spin number 7, but it's spin number 6 for you guys. Let's go. We still got 628 people in here. Shout out to everybody who stuck around to the end of the stream. Run around the office again. Just try not to smash into the door. Another night off. If you guys remember, I did take a little tumble one time when I was running around the studio for a dare or something on the wheel. Oh my God, you guys are getting wrecked on these giveaways. At least you guys got 20 off the bat. All right, spin number 8, I think. Oh, make it 21 giveaways, guys. Got 21 giveaways, and it's only Monday. All right, we got one more spin after this. 1 hour spin. Bing bong, CandleMafia. Crickets are good protein. Let's go, crypto crap, man. Hit Visual says, in a time like this, we always appreciate the positivity, man. Hey, Frankie Candles is there for you guys. And, hey, we are 10 likes away from 800 likes. I think that will be a actual record if we hit 800 likes. So smash it up. Make it 22 NFTs. Show me someone else giving away 22 NFTs. I'm missing the stream. Abner, what is going on? Welcome back, man. Billionaires to not too stupid, but that is... I think I missed that one. I think you guys are talking to each other. Bing bong, what's up, Matthew Barnes? Did he down crickets? I did. I did just... oh, is that 23? Oh, no. I wasn't looking. We could count them. Thank God they have this. All right, so we got 1. Oh, and we got one more spin. 1, 2... Okay, here we go. Last spin. Last spin. Here we go. Bing bong. Matt Lane, what is going on, dude? Hit the likes from 6 accounts. Let's get it. Coleman's Mod and Repair. What is going on, man? You guys are the best. Still got about 600 people in here. 809 likes. Eat crickets. I ate them already. All right, so let's see. What do we get? Night off, funny hat, 50 minute, eat cricket, funny hat, night off, eat cricket. 2 giveaways, so we're giving away 22 NFTs, and it's only Monday, guys. This will be a record-breaking giveaway week for the CandleMafia. We are giving away so much stuff this week. We got 809 likes. Thank you so much for everybody being here. Big love to the crypto lovers. Crypto Cow, we love you. Let's see. Congrats on the 800 likes, Frank. Thank you, Hater Magnet Crypto. Hey, Frankie, thanks. Adam, no problem. Adam Bernard, no problem, man. Crypto Cow, I see you. Apollo Blue, let's go. Breaking out on ETH. Breaking out on ETH. I'm not going to pull this up. I'm actually just going to look at it really quick. Okay, yeah, 12 back to 1,200. Not too bad. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into this live stream. Again, I'm so sorry I was not able to stream last night because of my internet. I wish I could have been there in this capitulatory move. This big dump down that we had. But I tried to put it in Discord, got rug pulled on that too, but I gave you guys the market update earlier. I try as best as I can to be there for you guys no matter what I have going on in my life on this channel. I try to give you guys the juice, I try to give you guys the sauce, and sometimes I even bring some of the macaroni. Anyway, guys, and some bagels. If Tony's there, we're bringing bagels. With all that being said, guys, I think that's all I got time for today's stream. Thank you all for tuning in. Still got 560 people in here hanging out till the end. 817 likes. You guys are the absolute best crypto community on YouTube. If you have not hit that subscribe button, definitely go do that. And with all that being said, that's all I got for today's stream. I'll see you tomorrow. Same place, same time. Pray for Bitcoin. Watch those levels that I gave you and watch out for those gaps in volume. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same place, same time. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong. Guys, Debate Crypto is live right now. You guys never know what you're going to miss out. You got to stay tuned till the end because you never know if I'm coming back. Debate Crypto is live right now, guys. Go show them some love. They're going to be talking about everything that's going on, all the fundamentals, all the news that I did not cover. So definitely go follow them. They're going to be giving you guys the additional sauce that you need to absolutely own this market. Go head over, Debate Crypto live right now. Head and chat. Let them know Frankie Candles sent you. Smash that like button, and I might even meet you over there to see if you guys went over there. Shout out to you guys. That's all I got. I'll see you tomorrow. Bing bong.